Oh, my mom.
Today, my neighbor gave me a pot of green plants as a gift. He said his girlfriend likes flowers, and he wants to give her a surprise. He asked me if I can make a small nightlight that can both shine and hold flowers. That's easy. 3D printed vase lamp.
Not a big problem.
Let's draw the draft first. Start modeling. Surface of the lamp adopts Chinese waving style. Simple and classic, advancing towards a new Chinese style in the lighting industry.
这是这样的感觉。
Translucent white as its color. Prints out with a woven look. Let's go to the workshop and print. That was fast, it's done already. It's not bad, go put it on. Finally done. Almost forgot the protagonist. Light it up. Send it to the neighbor and have a look. This vase light will definitely surprise his girlfriend. I'm making extra money again. To be honest, every time I'm using 3D printing to solve problems for others, I feel very happy because I love it. My dear friends, would you like to help others with your passion? If the comments plus likes of this video reaches 100, we will randomly choose a friend to give away a 3D printed vase light.
记得点赞关注哦。